All right, welcome back. It's my little part of the universe I like to call Beer Guy Workshop. And if you're new here, just stopping by. My name is Ron, and I dabble in woodworking. So this is what this channel is about. In today's video, I'll be stepping outside my comfort zone and stepping away from what I normally do into uncharted territory. So I will be tackling trying to rehab, fix up, or give a modern look to a dresser that I got my hands on. So I've really been wanting to dive into furniture for quite some time now, and I just didn't know, where to start. So this seemed like it was a perfect, perfect starting point. So I got a hold of a dresser. It's not a huge dresser, good medium sized dresser. So yeah, I'll be pretty much breathing some new life into it, and I can honestly say I'm really excited. So I don't want to ramble on. So let's not waste any time. Let's get right to it. made it out at the end of that. You know, I won't say it was easy, but it was straightforward. I work with some things that I definitely don't work on my everyday time doing my woodworking things. You're seeing certain things I was doing there that you haven't seen me do in other videos. So, like I said before, I'm just trying to step outside my comfort zone, add new things to my craft, to my toolkit, and just get better. Can't I can't stick myself into a box. So yeah, I enjoyed it, and I definitely want to move on to other types of furniture, maybe building some stuff from scratch. So stay tuned for that. And yeah, this was a cool build. It came out looking very well, and thumbs up gets my approval. So yeah. I will also be posting pictures on my Instagram. So if you're not checking out my Instagram, I always put links in all my videos to my various different social media links and what have you. So check it out. Yeah, like I said, I'm not big on rambling. So hope you got something out of it. Hope you enjoyed it. Oh, and I also want to thank all you guys and gals out there. I'm beyond 100 subscribers, on the YouTube platform. So, and that's all thanks to you. I'm glad y'all getting something out of this, and I enjoy doing it. This is my passion. This is where, it's where my passion lies. So, yeah, man, be safe out there. Stay tuned. Much more coming down the pipeline. And once again, man, I'm out.
In the past, don't you worry, baby. I won't budge, won't judge, that's a promise, baby. Cause we could all use a lifeline, make it last a lifetime. Picture perfect scenes ain't the model, baby.